Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I'm still looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3. Now I can definitely see subdivisions of the wave 3. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 and 5. So we may be getting close to making a big pullback. Eventually, I think we do need to make a big wave 4 and then go back up for a big wave 5. But I still don't even see that the wave 3 is over on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly. On the weekly time frames, a lot of the yen pairs definitely did turn down, but we still don't have a break of structure. We still don't really have much of a lower high. I mean, I guess there is a little bit of a lower high right here, but that still could be a correction, and it still could go up and make new highs. So we do have to be aware that the trend is up on all the higher time frames still. Going down to the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on just this last move right here. I mean, it does look like three waves down. It does look like a Fibonacci bounce. We got to keep an eye on this because it could possibly just keep on trending up at this point. So I was thinking that it might make a bigger move to the downside, but if this ends a correction, we definitely want to pay attention. We definitely want to listen to the market and start looking for longs again. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like impulsive down wave A. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B. I could even see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here for a wave C. The only thing that's going to prove to me that this is over is, first of all, breaking the wave 4, which we do not have yet, or if it makes like a significant higher low. So if it makes a higher low, then that would tell me the wave C is over, and I would definitely start looking for longs. If it breaks structure to the upside, that would also tell me the wave C is over, and I should start looking for longs. Because at this point, there definitely is a chance that it could make a lower high, and just keep on going down. So definitely be a little bit careful. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it looks like a wave A to me. Kind of looks like it should be in a wave B. Maybe go up for a wave C. If it makes a lower high, then I would get out and go short. But on the other hand, if it's actually a 1 and this is actually a 2 and then it goes up and breaks structure, that's going to give us even more confidence. So if you do see like 3 waves down on the 1 hour time frame, impulsive up at one of these Fibonacci levels, I would go long. And then while I was long, I would learn whether it made this shape, which would be a 1, 2, 3, or if it made this shape, which is an ABC. Which is very, very similar shapes, but an ABC will make a lower high, a 1, 2, 3 will go up and break structure. So if you pay attention to the shapes that the market makes, pay attention to the structure levels, the important structure levels, and understand what those structure levels mean, then you most likely will have a really good understanding of whether we're looking at a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.